That domain you skip could be someone else's next buy, but the wrong name can sit there and bleed you dry. A clever idea is not demand. Guessing is a dangerous plan. Stop guessing at domains, start reading the signs. AIFlipDomains brings discovery, scoring, pricing, guidance, and portfolio control into one connected workflow. Make smarter moves with the right evidence. Maya searched expired lists and endless marketplaces with no clear resale range for the name she chose. Renewals kept coming in, offers stayed rare. Every decision felt like a costly gamble. Its discovery engine uses sales data and demand signals. AI value scores and buyer or avoid guidance help you resale estimates, sensors and deters. Add evidence, see the path forward before you act. Register through major providers and create for sale page. Guided marketplace listing for every asset you hold. Track listings and buyer offers with negotiation assistance. You can manage counters with easy costs, estimate value, renewals, and drop alerts. Beginner safety filters, add guardrails to your work. Advanced options, add watch list, trend alerts and scans. Use risk modes to protect your capital. No tool can promise every domain will sell. Join the free training and watch the full demo. Learn the webinars, domain flipping hacks today. No credit card is needed for instant access. Use the link, decide with clarity. Stop guessing, research with intention.